Ahoy! I'm Captain Rob Lee, and welcome to Pirate Lifestyle TV. Arr. Welcome to another Quickie, me matey. Today's Quickie is about adjusting your sails to get to where you want to be. As Jimmy Dean says, I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. It is easy to let outside influences throw us off course. We are busy and we convince ourselves that we are managing. Stuff be happening in life. You and I can't stop unplanned things from happening. Spend your time on the things you can change and don't waste your time or energy worrying about things out of your control. You can't be changing the direction of the wind, but you can steer your life to where you want to be. Some people sit around and complain about the direction of the wind. Some people wait and wait, expecting the wind to change directions. A few people adjust their sails and take a different course. All we can do is adjust our lives to accept what is occurring all around us. We can always get to where we want to go, but we must be willing to change direction and take a different course to be getting there. Figure out where you are now, figure out where you want to go, and set a course to get there. I hope you enjoyed this Pirate Lifestyle TV Quickie. Keep your great ideas coming, and please share these videos with your friends. You can change someone's reality. With ye help, me goal be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle. Arr.